you doing, Tommy Bear? Mr. Tommy Bear. Look, there's Mama and Janie over there. Tommy, you was fighting. You're all covered in gook. Yeah, I heard you out there fighting, mister. Yeah. Was you fighting? Yeah. You was fighting. There's Miss Janie. Jane Bane. What you doing, Freddie Allen? There's Mama's. Freddie Allen! Get over here. You little stink pot. Come on, Froyo! Kitty, kitty, kitty. He's like, yeah, I'm coming. My own good time. He's rotten. They're pretty mama kitties and pretty Jane Bane. Still can't pet mamas yet. I can pet Tomboy. And Jane Bane. And Freddie. Wanna get upside down, Tommy? Just not mamas. There, my froyo. What you doing, mitter? My handsome Freddie. Yeah, my pretty kitties. My pretty kitties. Hey, you guys wanting some food? You got your bowls full, Tommy, but he won't eat out of the bowl. He'll only eat if I put it on the floor. Come here, Tommy Bear. You gotta have it off the floor? They all only eat off the floor. Can't fit my fat head in the bowls. No, even if I put it in a bigger bowl, he won't eat it. Has to be off the floor. What do you think, Jane Bane?